5 seconds to go. Start. He stated clearly that he dissented from the last paragraph of the resolution, a very innocuous one, nevertheless, with very considerable meaning. In fact, the whole resolution led up to this paragraph, the rest being a preamble. Therefore, he dissented from the very basis of the resolution, coming forward with his amendment. He said that the effect of the resolution, if carried, would be undesirable. I wondered if I had understood him correctly, of if I had made some mistake in regard to what he said. Why, I asked the Prime Minister, from any point of view or from any approach, could the passage of the resolution possibly be undesirable? I have given thought to this matter, but I am quite unable to understand his reasoning. Therefore, it must be undesirable from some point of view of which I am not aware, and which had nothing to do with the resolution. That is the conclusion I arrived at. I would put it to the distinguished assembly with respect and without meaning offense, that this is a rather trivial way of dealing with this not only important question but vital question, which is shaking the world by calling it an amendment of the resolution. I submit that we are discussing very important matters affecting this assembly and the world. The Prime Minister, in his argument, talked about a conference. Why does the resolution suggest a meeting or a conference? I would beg him to read the resolution again because he has failed to understand it. Stop.